Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Starbucks drinks, and that is the iced green tea matcha. I am going to be using the Mighty Leaf matcha. You can find it at your grocery store. I found that at Publix, or you can go to your local Asian market. I'm going to be adding some sugar to it, so that's roughly 3 tablespoons of green matcha and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I wanted to add some really hot water to it. It makes it easier to mix. And I'm just using a fork because everybody has a fork. We're going to add some crushed ice to our favorite cup. As you can see, my favorite cup would be Starbucks. I'm going to be using about a cup and a cup and a half to soy, depending on how much green matcha you want to add. I like a lot of milk with it. I'm adding about a half a cup of that green matcha mixture, and I'm just stirring it up. And there you have it. Green tea has really good benefits to your health, and it really helps give you that natural boost of energy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more Starbucks videos.